Summer Monteys-Fullam stunned as she stripped down to white lace lingerie for a sexy photo shoot in Miami. The 25-year-old showed off her tanned and toned figure on the outdoor nighttime shoot. 3. Scarlett Moffatt looked incredible in lacy white lingerie. Splash. 3. Summer often receives DMs from men looking to date her. Summer Monteys-Fullam / Instagram. She wore her copper hair up with a full fringe and her silk robe fell open to show off the underwear set. The former barmaid recently explained that on a daily basis she receives rude messages and explicit photos from admirers who are vying for her attention. However, it's not all cracked up to be, with Summer admitting that she'd rather stay single until she finds her Prince Charming. Speaking exclusively to The Sun, Summer said, "I love being single but I do want to find my Prince Charming. I've had people slide into my DMs but I'm not dating at the moment. I'm no great at dating." When asked if she's received any saucy messages online, she replied, "I have a lot of that. I mean I had it more when I first became single. I'd have someone say, we've got the same dog or we've got the same horse. And sometimes when I press to see the image or accept it and then all of a sudden it's not the same. It's not a similar dog or similar horse. It's not the same. It's actually D-pics." The star said it can range from total strangers to fans, and she has even had celebrities slide into her DMs, but declines to say who. Summer admitted that she has a strange type when it comes to men, confessing that Prince Harry and Tom Hardy tick all her boxes. The model, who confirmed that she is currently single, said she enjoys the freedom of being on her own as it allows her to focus on building her cosmetic empire. She is learning how to administer Botox and filler at the Cosmetic Couture Clinic in Salford, following in the footsteps of Lauren Goodger, who also honed her skills there. "I'm training as an esthetician, it's going amazing. I'm actually really surprised at how well it's done," she continued. "I'm my own boss and I've got my own business. I'm really proud of that." She said that she will stop at nothing to make her brand a successful mega business one day. "I want to make a mega business. I'm my own boss, where I can employ my own people. I want to be the best," Summer explained. "Keep building my business, carry on doing that because it makes me happy and buy a house this year. Slowly looking and I'm getting everything in order and slowly looking for my home." When she's not posting sexy lingerie snaps on Instagram, Summer said she usually spends time with her 9 horses, which helps to keep her figure in tip-top shape. Speaking about how she maintains her toned physique, she added, 9 horses, that will do it. I do running and cardio and some fitness. I did have a personal trainer and I've got to get another one. What makes me sexy is my confidence and just being happy. Summer has remained in the spotlight ever since The Sun exclusively revealed she split from the Great British Bake Off judge Paul Hollywood in August 2019. Since the breakup, she's earned a huge Instagram following by serving up a treat for fans with her bikini snaps. She previously opened up about what she's looking for in her next man, saying, "Loyalty is a huge factor for me. I want someone nice. I don't have a type, as such, it's how I get on with that person. Age isn't really a problem, but this time I would definitely put a cap on it, so 30s or younger, and I would definitely be open to dating someone not in the public eye." 3. Summer said she loves her single life and is in no rush to settle down. Credit, Instagram.